YouTube channel. My name is Nafula. If you've not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. But if you've already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching my videos. I bought a house in New York. Like it's not in the village, it's not anywhere. The house is right in New York. And before wasting much time, I'm gonna take you around the house. This house, when you get in, so this is the door. Let me see if I can figure it out. So you open the door. So that's how you open the door. And then when you get into the house, you get like a place where you can put your coats. This door takes you right to the garage. So it's a 2-car garage. I'm just gonna turn this around. So you get in, and this is our living room. Like, let me show you. I know. Look at how big it is. Like, I can literally run. So our living room is so big, so it's enough space. So here in the living room, you have a window here. You have a window. You can close, and I'll change all this because I like fancy stuff. So I'm gonna put some stuff over there. And then you have another window right here. So guys, this is the living room. This is our dining room. Guys, look at the dining room. I can run in there. You see? So the dining room, we have a big window right here. This is the dining room. And then the dining room has this nice window. And then there's a door right there. And we have a kitchen. So you come in and then you got a kitchen with the kitchen counters. I'm going to bring it closer. Hang on one sec. So this is the kitchen. You see, it has very nice counters here. The doors. I'm going to paint all this because I like white. So I'm going to paint white here so it looks a little bit brighter. We have a fridge here. I'm gonna show you, just give me one sec. Right there. So we have a fridge here. And then I have my Shailera bag, who are my partners in this video. So this bag is a beach bag, but I use it for everything. Like you see today, because I was gonna record, I have like my stuff in here. I have my GoPro, which I never use. But anyhow, I have it here. So this one, if you go to shailera.com and you use the code NAFULA right there, you get 15% off on this bag, and the quality is really good. So this video is sponsored by Shailera. Okay, and then so this is the other side of the kitchen. As you can see, these are my glasses. I just left them here. So these are the tablets that I'm gonna show you. As you can see, there is a big space. Dude, I love this house. Like, look at that. Very big space. And then there's also a big space here, So, and then you have a stove there, and then you have more. I'm going to show you. You have a stove, and then you have another storage space here. So we have plenty of storage for everybody. And then look at that stove. This is like modern. I wanted to change it, but I'm not gonna change it because, so this one, is the stove that doesn't have, you just put whatever and then it starts working. I use gas myself because I cook a lot of like hard food, whatever, kichwangumu food from Africa. But then you can use this. There's a burner, there's an oven. The oven is pretty big. So if you're dvlottery and you like to bake, you can go ahead and bake your stuff over there. Okay, so this is the kitchen. This one goes back to the garage. So you have 2 garage doors. Right? That's where you store your coats. Like if you have coats, in the winter, you can hang them here. So you come in through there. And then you can hang your coats right there. And then this one goes to the basement. I'm not going to show you the basement. It has more rooms there. But we'll do that next time. So that's the basement. I'll be showing you more rooms in there. Probably by next coming videos, we'll go over the basement because I guess it's a lot just to go through everything. Okay, so when you come in, when you go straight, you go to the living room. When you take a left, then you go to the bedroom. So we'll review those. So you can turn the light on. I don't know how to turn this thing on. All right, there you go. So you can turn the light on, and then you got a bedroom you got a bedroom, you got a bedroom, you got a bedroom. 4 bedrooms on the top floor. So I'm gonna show you. Hang on. So here, drawers I just opened. These ones are gonna be, I'm gonna put a washer and dryer in there so people don't have to go to like laundromat or anything. Like you're coming to America, so you'll use a washing machine. So we'll put a washing machine here. So there's hookups like you can see for the washer and dryer. So I just need to buy and then everything will be all set. And look at the drawers, they close. So you can't even tell there's a washer and dryer in there. It looks pretty neat, you see. Okay, so let's look at the bedrooms, right? You have 2 bathrooms up here. So you see this bathroom is full bathroom. Let's look at it. And it's pretty fancy. Yeah, look at those lights, dude. There's a big sink right there, which has like cabinets there. And then you have, you can hang your towels over there. Here, the toilet is pretty big. So it's not a small toilet, I'll show you. So the toilet is pretty big. And then you can hang your whatever's here. You can hang your towels here. And then this one opens. It's so you can open and look outside at the nature. And you got a neighbor next door. So, and then you have like a full bathroom. You see there's a shower. And it looks pretty clean. I wanted to change this, but you know what? Just to save money, it's okay. People can just use this for now. I'll show you. So I'm not gonna change that. No need to remodel anything. So, and then there's a bright light up there. I'm gonna turn the light off. Let's go to the bedroom. Okay, we're here in one of the bedrooms. So this is the bedroom that's a whole suite. I don't know how they call it, you know. Like it has a bathroom, it has a toilet, it has like it's full. So this is the master. So here, let me bring the thing over here. Pretty big bedroom. So I can put 2 beds here. I can even do bank beds. Like if we have a lot of people and a lot of people need accommodation, we can even put bank beds depending on the needs. So we have a big bedroom. It has lights. You can turn the light on and see it. So it's a pretty big bedroom. We can put like 2 bank beds, or we can put just single but 2 beds because it's too big and it has its own bathroom. So the first bathroom we looked at, I'm gonna show you. It's right here. And the second bathroom is right here. But then there's a door here. So this person has their own room with their own bathroom. So we have lights there. And then you see this is the sink. It looks good. It has plenty of space. It has plenty of space in there. You got a bathroom, a toilet there. You can hang your towels there. Again, you can look outside. I'm just gonna close this for right now. No, maybe the other way. So you can close that, and then there is a shower. There's a light up here. And then you see it's a pretty nice place. Look at it. This is the other bathroom. It has a bigger toilet. You see the cabinet, same with the other one. Little big storage space down there. Big toilet. You can hang your stuff in here. And then you got blinds. You can look outside if you want. You can hang more towels. You got a shower. You see, so pretty set. So it's a nice place. So, and then we can go back. And then I'm gonna show you single rooms. So a single room is like this one here. Where's the light? So this is a single room. This is not a full room. It doesn't have a bathroom. This is a shared bathroom. You'll have to, this one to use this, you have to have a shared bathroom. But as you can see, this one is like a room. And then you got your window here. You know, you can check out outside if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and just close them. So you can check out your neighbors if you want. If you're nosy like me, I guess. And then over here, so you have a closet. You can put, your closet is right there. As you can see, you have a room there. And then if you want to go to the bathroom, you just walk out. And then your bathroom is right here. And then we got a room there, same thing. We got a room here, same thing. So 4 bedrooms up here. The reason why I was, I thought about buying a house. I know people, signing up to get people to to host guests of dvlottery winners. Some people are signing up, like I said, in the beginning when I started my journey of hosting guests and host pairing program, I was in a Kenyan group, and because I posted something about people signing up to help people, I was kicked out of the group. I was like, Nafula, out of here. So I was kicked out of the group just for saying that. So I don't know if it was, interpreted the wrong way or whatever. But anyhow, I was kicked out of the group. But then I thank God because I was kicked out of the group. Because if people signed up, I won't be having this house here. The reason why I have this house, and this is just a single property for the DV lottery. Like this is like NAFULA Connect property. And this is one, it's a property for NAFULA Connect and it's the first one and it's not gonna be the last one.
Welcome to the new house that we will be hosting DV lottery winners. Yay! So I got another house in New York and this house will be hosting DV lottery winners. I bought it, so it's mine. So if you stay here, nobody's gonna kick you out. So this house is in New York and I'm so excited and I'm gonna be taking you on a short tour.
Welcome to our new house for DV lottery hosting, right? And behind the camera is say your name.
Rumbi.
Okay, so come in, Rumbi.
Thank you.
So this is the main entrance, and then we have closet right here. Is a full closet with where you can hang your coats. And then this is the living room. Right here is pretty big. So we have windows here. There's curtains, so we can put like darkening curtains over here. We'll paint the walls. There's a lot of issues with the walls, so we'll have to paint and fix it. And then we have a nice
chandelier here.
Yeah, so we'll change that. I don't like it because I don't know. We'll change that and put a nicer one. And then in here is the dining room. So this one is a little bit low because the table goes right here. And then over here we have windows. You can look outside, the neighbors. Same with here and here. And then let's go to the kitchen. So the kitchen, the light is not very good, the lighting. So we have a gas stove right here. It's a 4 burner, so somebody can use this side while the other one can be cooking on that side. We have a countertop right here, a counter with cabinets. We'll still need to repaint everything. And then you have a door here that goes. So this is the outside porch. So you can look at the neighbors and yeah. Let's see. Lock the door and then it has, I don't know how to lock that. So we have a sink. It's just, I don't know how to turn it on. Well, maybe here. Oh, there you go. So that's the sink. So you have one countertop here. You have another one with a lot of storage space right there. So it's a big size fridge. I don't know what's in there. Oh, it's just ice, dry ice. Okay, and then, so this is one of the smaller rooms. And then it has 2 windows. Outside is the neighbors, and then, what else? And then they have a closet here, so they can put their clothes and everything in here. Over here, you come to the bathroom. And then there's a bathroom here. It's a glass bathroom. There's a shower, no bathtub, with a toilet, and then there's a mirror there. And then over here is another bedroom. This is a bigger bedroom. We'll paint it if you like it pink. I like pink, probably I'll keep it, but maybe not. We'll have to paint a different color from here. It's a little brighter. I like the bright light. And then over here, we have a big closet. I can sleep in here if I wanted to. Maybe not. But then we have a big closet right here. Okay, and then that's so that's it. We do not like this wallpaper. What about your room? Do you like it?
I think we could find a new one.
Yeah, it's hideous.
And upgrade it a little bit, yeah.
House, so probably
Yeah.
and put like young,
Like a brighter
vibrant
color, yeah.
Yeah, and this is this one here. So we'll go to the next one, and then I'm gonna show you the next one. Okay, so this is the second part of the house. So we'll be showing you. So the door is open. We open. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So we're gonna go upstairs, and then we'll paint this so that it looks nice and clean. So we'll renovate that, paint that. And so this is like a common area. You can put a lounge here. Anybody who wants to talk to each other, they can come up here if they don't want to be in the living room. And it's a good size space. You can put like a couch here and put like a TV here or there or anywhere here. And then here we have a living room. So this is gonna be a living room. It's well lit. You don't need lights in here during the day. Big windows. So looks really good. And then we have another dining room here. Let me turn the light on. Oh, yep, there you go. Again, it's low because you have to put a table here and then chairs in the dining room. And then again, you can look outside if you want. Same thing over there. And then Ruby's gonna take over from here, right, Ruby?
Right.
Okay. All right, I'll hold.
Right. Hi guys. So from here, then we go straight to the kitchen.
Yep.
It's the kitchen area. We've got very nice long cupboards. So many.
You don't know how to open.
Yeah, this one you can open it. Very nice space, and the windows right here. And also there's the fridge.
Which is a big
Yep,
fridge. It's
very
enough
big
for
fridge,
like.
yeah, good size.
Yep, the people who'll be living here.
It's a good size. Then we've got more cupboards, which means more storage space. Then we have a sink right here, and there's also a stove. A very big one, also good size. Yep.
Yep, and then we go this way.
Then this way, yeah. So right behind there's like a long hallway.
Yep, right there.
Long hallway. Then we go this way. Right here we have like a bathroom.
Yep.
Which is a good size.
So we have a bathroom downstairs and then another one up here.
Up here
which
also.
we'll redo. We're gonna put a new bathroom in, so it looks nice.
Yeah.
Redoing the whole bathroom, and then I think there's lights here. Maybe.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go. So there's lights and the mirror there as well.
Yep.
Okay, and then
From
this is
here,
the smaller bedroom.
yeah, there's another one bedroom here. It's a bit smaller, but yeah, it has like, it'll be bright because of the window. You've got windows, so you've got a view when you wake up. And it also has like a personal closet.
Yeah.
See, I can stand, so which means you can put all your coats, all your clothes in here. It's a good space. Also.
Yeah, you can tell like you've been a vlogger somewhere, you know? You do it so well. You do it better than I do.
You're a professional. Alright, right straight from here, there's another room. This
Yeah.
one is a little bit bigger than the first one that we saw. With two,
Yep.
Yep, there's a light. With two windows also, and then...
Yeah, this bedroom
another
is really
closet
big.
space. Yep.
Yep,
Another
that's
closet space here, and then the top also. For
yeah.
two people.
Yeah, and we'll put like a TV, a big bed here. So this is gonna be one of the bigger rooms. Round. And then we go this way. I show around, and then that, and then in the kitchen here, and then this door goes down in the basement. So that's our basement down there, and then that's pretty much it. What do you think, Ruby? You did good.
Right? It's my first time.
Okay, so this is outside the house. There's a lot of repainting to do, but you can see like there's a driveway, there's two-door car garages that we'll fix the roof, and then 2 people or even 4, 5, 6 people can park their cars right here. And then over here we have a door. This one goes down to the basement, and then this is just nothing. This is the back of the house. There's nothing there. So this one goes to the basement, and then we have another door here, driveway. So people with cars. People need to buy cars, right? So at least they can have something to park over here. We have enough space. And then this is again, this is a push to get to the first floor. And then that's it. I like